Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue in Windows where it says Windows update error. Your device is missing important security update. Alright, the first fix here is just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in troubleshooter. Alright, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on this one right here, which says troubleshoot settings or the troubleshoot other problems. Click on it and wait for it to load. And once you're in here, just go ahead and select Windows Update, click on it, and simply click on Run the Troubleshooter. All right. As you can see here, it is currently detecting problems. It may take some time, so patiently wait until it fixes the issue. Once this is done, go ahead and close this one, close everything, and restart your computer. All right. Once done, try to check the Windows Update if the issue is fixed now. Now, if that won't work, go ahead and go to your search bar again and type in CMD, and once the command prompt pops up, just go ahead and click on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up, just click on yes, and it is now opened. So what we're going to type here is simply sfc /scan now. All right, once done, simply hit on enter, and as it states here, beginning system scan, and this process will take some time as well. Simply wait for the process to finish. It will verify some files, then fix it on its own. After that, again, restart the computer, launch Windows Update again, and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, it is recommended that you turn on your Windows Defender. All right, to do that, maybe you have your Windows Defender turned off accidentally. So to do that, just go ahead and go to your search bar again and type in Windows Security. Right here, click on it. All right, make sure that everything right here is turned on. As you can see here, my app and browser control is turned off, so I'm going to turn it on. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes, and again, go to your Windows Update and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, again, to your search bar. You know, your search bar is really helpful. Just go ahead and type in services. All right, now once this one pops up, just click on Run as Administrator, and this window will pop up. Just maximize it, then locate the service called Windows Update. All right, there you have it. Once you have it located, just go ahead and right click on it and go to properties. And as you can see here, mine is already set to automatic because this one fixed my issue earlier. All right, if yours is set to manual or disabled, just go ahead and click on this drop down right here and select automatic. All right, once done, hit on apply and wait for the process to finish. All right, once done, if the server status right here where it says start is available, just go ahead and click on it. All right, until it is grayed out. Once done, click on OK. Don't close this one yet. Scroll up until you see the process called Background Intelligent Transfer Service. This one. All right, as you can see here, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Again, right click on it and hit on properties. Then, as you can see here, it is set to manual. So go ahead and set it to automatic. Apply and wait for the process to finish. Then go ahead and hit on start. Once done, hit OK. Close this one. Restart your computer. Check the Windows Update and see if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry, I still have plenty of options here for you. Just go ahead and type in Windows Update again in the search bar and click on this one right here, Windows Update Settings. All right, go to View Update History, click, and as you can see here, there's an option called Uninstall Updates. Just go ahead and click on it, and here you'll be shown the updates that are recently installed on your computer. And as you can see here, there are dates. Just go ahead and make sure to select the latest one. For example, here, the 12/4/2024. So go ahead and click on it, right click, then hit on uninstall. Once done, close this one, restart your computer, and check the updates if it works now. Now, if that still won't work, again, go back to services right here in the search bar, type in services and Run as Administrator. Then go back to Windows Updates at the bottom, right click and hit on properties, and then on the drop down, select disabled, hit apply, and stop the service status. All right, stop, wait for it, And don't close this one yet. All right. Open up your File Explorer, maximize, then paste this one. Don't worry, I'll leave this directory in the description. Once you have it all pasted, just go ahead and hit on enter. And as you can see here, there are a lot of folders and files right here. Just go ahead and select it all, right click on it and hit on delete. All right. Once you have it all deleted, close this one and go back to the services window. All right. As you might remember, we have disabled this one. So go back to automatic, hit apply, hit on start, wait for the process, hit OK. And again, restart your computer, check your Windows update, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.